Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Trixco Janvi. So in this video I am going to tell you that how can you convert a file or folder into link. So let's get started. So for converting a file or folder into link, here I am going to use an app which is Google Drive. So in this app you need to first log in and then only you will be able to use this. So the first step to convert a file or folder into link is to click on the new button. After clicking on this, the website will ask you that do you want to upload a file or do you want to upload a folder. So you need to click on one of them. After clicking on it, you need to select the file that you want to be converted into link. So I want this file to be converted into link. After this, I will click on open and here the file is uploading. So now it is uploaded. So let's see the next step. So here it is uploaded. On this file, I will right click. After right clicking, there will be option get link. So you need to click on that. After clicking on the get link option, this type of thing will pop out on your screen. In this, you need to click on the copy link option to copy the link of the file or folder. But at the bottom of this, you can also see that there are two options. The first one is restricted and the another one is anyone with the link. So if you will click on restricted, then the website will ask you first before giving the access to the person whom you are sending the link. But if you will click on anyone with the link, then the website will not ask you. So that depends on you on which option do you want to click. So I want the website to ask me first before giving the access to the person. So I will click on restricted, then copy the link, and the last step is to click on the done option. After this, the link of the file is copied, and if you want to see that is working or not, I can show you that. So here I will paste the link that I've copied. After this, as you can see that the link is working properly and it has taken me to the site that I was supposed to. So thank you for watching, and if you thought that the video was helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.